not been there with me or anyone. So sometimes we thought like too much, ये अगर से मेरे साथ ये ना हुआ होता और ये ना हुआ होता तो शायद मैं कहीं रहता. तो sometimes I'm also thought about that, think about that. Had it not been with me, that kind of things, because it it was a past and it's past, kind of things if, and it has done. And whenever you thought too much about your past, so nothing will be changed your present, nothing will be changed. I don't know in the future it will be changed or not, but nothing will be changed in your present. So जो है उसी में खुश रहिए, क्योंकि the problem the problem in the life is a thing. So it comes and go, come and go. It's a very good. Come and go is a rare thing. और बस यही है. Be careful of ignorant people surrounding you. They like a wolf in the lamb, like the snake in the grass kind of things. So please be careful of this kind of ingredients people in surrounding of you. Very good morning. 8:30 morning, and this is my day 32 to filming itself. Ajay this side. So I'm here to now this one. I'm doing this one to watering in the wheat farm, and like this kind of people in surrounding of you, like they know how to make the most of you, and after that they throw out like a one-time use of tissue paper. So this kind of people please avoid of in your surrounding or something. And very good morning. And they know then after the what they do, the pot calling cattle black, like उल्टा चोर कोतवाल को डांटता है, ऐसा वो करते. The pot calling black cattle kind of things they do after of their work is done. They then do this kind of things. So please avoid this kind of people in your life. So my day has started, and also my day like in these days, like my situation is totally perplexed of that things is going on. Yesterday I had came on that in this side, and I had gone around 12 a.m. at home, and again I woke up today around 4:30 a.m. in the dawn morning. So that's why I need a little bit of, not a little bit, like I need a lots of sleep. But yeah, this is the work. But what can I do for this? I have to do. So yeah, this is my day 32 is going on, and as usual simple, nothing to be special in my life. जो है उसी में सिंपल. और अब बस इसी को इरिगेशन करना है. वोल्टेज बहुत ही ड्रॉप अभी बढ़े हैं वोल्टेज, नहीं तो अभी ड्रॉप ही थे. It's 9:30 at morning, and this is my day 32. Water has run out of this well over there, and this is my improvisation. Today I made a new one. I have made of this, and because the older one I have lost it of time. I don't know where I lost it, but I lost it. So water will water has run out, and now it's time to go home. So now these days it is a common of the water, and but the crop like in this stage, and I slept to 11 a.m. at morning, and this is my day 32 is going on. So I had came here to tie up the Montuji or Gantuji is over there. Like today I had a time, so I like I have came here, and the main thing is that दैट और की मेरे बहुत आते हैं. दैट और की इज़ द सेम थिंग. तो ये है कि had it not been there with me or anyone. So sometimes we thought like too much, ये अगर से मेरे साथ ये ना हुआ होता और ये ना हुआ होता तो शायद मैं कहीं रहता. तो sometimes I'm also thought about that, think about that. Had it not been with me that kind of things, because it was a past and it's past, kind of things if, and it has done. And whenever you thought too much about your past, so nothing will be change your present, nothing will be change. I don't know in the future it will be change or not, but nothing will be change in your present. So जो है उसी में खुश रहिए, क्योंकि the problem in the life is a thing, so it comes and go, come and go. It's a very good, come and go is a rare thing. और बस यही है, ज़्यादा कुछ स्पेशल नहीं है. 11 बजने वाले हैं, मुझे फिर से खेत जाना है. बस यही कहानी है. और ¼ AM at morning, and I came here for turn off this motor because the water has about to run out, and along with this, like I will turn off this, and I will go to home. And after like reaching the home, I have to do the same things like buffalo kind of things related to their food, related to their water, drinking kind of things. That's it. Nothing which is special. Nothing else is special in my day-to-day life. Very simple. Or like it's a ¼ past 11, and same the 45 minutes remains to about to go light, like electricity. So yeah, that's a simple way. And I have to change the sprinklers over there on a garlic farm, and also to run in another wheat farm. So लाइफ का सिंपल बहुत फंडा, लाइफ का फंडा ही सिंपल सा है कि जैसे आप कहीं भी हो, किसी भी, जैसे लाइक कोई कॉर्पोरेट में काम करता है, कोई गवर्नमेंट में, कोई कहीं काम, तो सबको करना पड़ता है. ऐसा नहीं कि आप कहीं पे भी हो तो खाली, ऐसा खाली नहीं. बट मुझे लगता है जो बाकी काम तो ठीक ठाक है, लाइक जो सर्वाइव करते हैं, जैसे -40, -30, और द हाइएस्ट टेम्परेचर लाइक 60 और 70, 50 और 60 डिग्री काइंड ऑफ डिग्री सेल्सियस में, उनकी लाइफ कैसे होती होगी. और उनकी लाइफ कैसी होती होगी जिनके पास लाइक एक्सेस ऑफ रिसोर्सेज नहीं होंगे, एज अ प्रॉपर रिसोर्सेज. तो कभी कभी उनकी लाइफ के बारे में सोचो तो ऐसा लगता है, नाउ आई एम अ बेटर ऑफ इन माई लाइफ. मैं जहाँ भी हूँ, मैं जैसा भी हूँ, आई एम गुड. क्योंकि आप उनके जैसे लाइक सर्वाइव नहीं कर पाओगे, लाइक यू विल नॉट एबल टू सर्वाइव ऑफ इंस्टेंट ऑफ दैम, बिकॉज लाइक प्लेस ऑफ दैम. तो ये होती है कहानी कि थोड़ी बहुत तो स्ट्रगल सबकी लाइफ में है. बट जो लोग जिनके पास ना चीज़ों की एक्सेस है, और लाइक दे लिव इन अ पेवेट्री साइड्स, लाइक जो फुटपाथ पे चलते हैं, पेवेट्रीज कुछ बोलते हैं उसको, मैं भूल गया इंग्लिश का नाम. तो उनकी लाइफ कैसी होती है, और जिनके पास एक्सेस ऑफ रिसोर्सेज नहीं है, like I have like all of the resources, like as a food, as a clothes, as a technology wise, everything. But what is of them, what is that of them, like those who doesn't have, it is like a very weird, not a weird, but कभी सोचो तो बुरा लगता है कि I wish I were over there, so how to I will manage, sorry, how I would manage all the things. तो बहुत ही डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है कभी कभी. जो देखो कभी किसी को, कभी आप कोई डॉक्यूमेंट्री देखो, कोई 20 minutes left to 1 PM at afternoon, and this is my day 32 filming itself. कितने बार मैंने याद दिलाना पड़ेगा, खुद को दिलाना पड़ता है. तो yesterday I had uprooted here, I can uproot here, I can uproot. So this is not a too much area, it's a very less area. Let's go with another farm, not another farm, किनारे किनारे है, तो it's not a far away, it's a very narrow space, so not as a not a far and far, just very less. यहाँ से ग्रीन ग्रास बहुत ज़्यादा है, पर ये जो ग्रास है, मतलब इसको हमारे लोकल लैंग्वेज में कुशरा बोलते हैं. और it's not like that buffalo not feeding, they feeding, but not up to the mark. जो माठ है, जो क्या शायद चौलाई बोलते हैं उसको, मुझे नहीं मालूम. माठ बोलते हैं हमारे इधर, चौलाई और किधर बोलते होंगे. उसकी क्वांटिटी बहुत ज़्यादा है, पूरे खेत में उसकी क्वांटिटी. यहाँ से वेटेड प्लेस है, सो आई विल नॉट अप्रोच फ्रॉम हियर. यहाँ तक वेटेड है, ये इतना एरिया है प्लेस. सो नो सारा भी जल्दी नहीं उसकेगा. शाम को जाना है मुझे उधर वाले खेत में, गार्लिक वाले में, मतलब गार्लिक वाले फार्म में, इन अ गार्लिक फार्म. I will go to in a evening like after 4 something, but since when I would uproot here. So इसमें like we had spreaded, like Papa ji had spreaded 2 times of weedicide in this farm, and or still like this kind of grass still is here. And if he were not like a spreading this kind of things, like, so this is the like a hypothetical things, like सोचने वाली बात है. If he were not like do this kind of things, तो इसमें चारा रहता, इतना बटाना देखने का सवाल ही नहीं उठता, सिर्फ चारा दिखता, बाकी कोई काम तो मतलब जो ग्रीन पी वाला एरिया है ये दिखता ही नहीं, सिर्फ चारा दिखता. और पूरी मेहनत वन बाय वन आई हैव टू अप्रूव, एंड it will take a time. Just I called Papaji, and he will start the motor. He will turn on the motor. And now it's time to change the sprinklers one by one. Not one by one. I will put the 2 sprinklers only in the garlic area. I have done this one. I have changed the sprinklers. Now it's time to fix it off the pipe. And the problem is that the wind of the bleach, sorry, is now going on. So it's time to align the pipe and then to do another thing. Actually, the water is going on in a safety, is like a I will do this kind of things. Uprooted the this one, but I have to wait for the irrigation. Align the pipe. Now it's time to turn on the sprinklers. Sorry. It is visible? Yeah, it is not visible properly because the sunlight is opposite of that. इसके लिए 2 जगहों से पानी लीकेज हो रहा है. सोचा नहीं था कि ये होगा, बट ये हो रहा है. You know, everything like you had no idea, like you had no idea, you had not thought about that, but it happens. So let it be. Do the work, uproot the grass, and here is my bucket. Now this time to uproot the grass, and I will not make the full video. It will have my last one of this day. Now it's time to go to home. This is not too heavy. It is a very kind of not too much heavy. It's a very light, not a light, but yeah, little bit light. बस यही है, जिसको जो करना है कीजिए. And I don't know, I don't want to prove anyone to anything. So that's it. जिसको जो बुरा लगे वो मेरी प्रॉब्लम कैसा हो रहा है पानी. So since in the morning, like in I think 11 something, I had been saying one thing to footpath or something. So the footpath is called a pavement. Is a pavement pavement. The like a narrow space, like as a narrow space of the roads is called a footpath. And the pedestrian is the mean of that. Those who are walking on the pedestrian, like as a pavement, is called a pedestrian. जो पर्सन जो होते हैं जो फुटपाथ पे चलते हैं उसको actually I had forgot to end of my video. So yeah, like I was in the field that time, like before when I took this clip over there. So I had took this clip over there, and now I am at home, and I lighted the lamp, and just I worship for the God, and now it's a 7:15 p.m. at evening, and I think I should wrap up this video here. So along with this, I would like to say goodbye for this day. I will meet you on tomorrow in my day 33, and yeah, it was good. So take care, bye bye, and meet you soon.